Limitations. I got like mad sweat on the floor. Let's do some drills to focus on my explosive power. You should have saw it earlier. Went from a turtle freeze up to a forearm stand. I forgot what these are called. So I'm gonna try to drill that. Focus on being able to push out, use my core. Three, 4, 5. Hard work. For real, man, I miss going outside. Being cooped up. But it's for the good of everybody. Anyone got questions about break dancing? Feel free to ask me questions on Keeps as well. My brain has the knowledge. I'll help you if I can. What's the next track? I'm out. Can't breathe. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I realize if I burp, you hear all of that. Sorry. Too slow. Where's my phone at? Where'd it go? Let's change that on the computer. This one's a song by Macklemore called B-Boy. All right. I'll do it. Whew. I feel like the earth is moving around me. Whew. Oh, I didn't realize Among is gonna create an overlay? Oh, thank you. I'll check it out. Let me see. I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking at. I just see a little icon with the person. Whew. The only power move I know that doesn't involve me moving like crazy is the flare. So drill the flare. With whatever I got left. I'm gonna go for about 10 more minutes, and I'm done. Your boy is dead tired. Flare is like a hula hoop, but with your hand on the ground. That's all you gotta really do. Spread, plant, and do clockwise circle with your hips. That's all it is. So, leg spread, plant. I'm gonna get skinned. I need the momentum to start. So yeah, the idea is that hand down, swing, swing your hips, leading with your leg. While my hips are too low, so my foot's dragging, it's skidding itself. What's this track? Oh, this is one of the classics. Classic power move motivational track. These tiles, man. I'm generating so much force, I'm pushing the tile out, so. Didn't swing. All right, we're not gonna do any more of that.